How to assemble the truck camper. 07B full barn door. Lay out the 4 canopy panels on a clean, flat surface. Apply the sealing strips along all panel joints and around the base of the canopy. Press the sealing strips firmly into place to ensure a proper seal. Position the 4 panels to form the canopy. From inside the canopy, align the mounting holes along each corner. Install and tighten all connecting bolts. Locate the corner reinforcement posts marked FL/FRBL and bar. Match each reinforcement post with its corresponding corner. Install the reinforcement posts from the outside of the canopy and tighten all mounting screws. Lift the assembled canopy onto the truck bed. Carefully position the canopy and make sure it is fully seated on the truck bed rails. Locate the mounting holes in the truck bed. Drill mounting holes in the canopy to match the truck tailgate mounting holes. Apply sealant along the contour of the tailgate. Secure the rear barn door frame by tightening all mounting bolts at both rear corners. Check that the barn door opens and closes smoothly. Locate the mounting clamps inside the canopy on both sides of the truck bed. Position each clamp correctly and tighten all mounting bolts. Apply the sealing strip around the entire top edge of the canopy. Trim any excess material at the corners to ensure a smooth fit. Locate the pre-drilled mounting holes on the top of the canopy. Trim away the sealing strip covering each mounting hole to expose the openings. Lift the folded tent assembly onto the top of the canopy. Align the mounting channel on the bottom of the tent with the mounting openings on the canopy. Slide the mounting bolts into the mounting channel on the bottom of the tent. Align the bolts with the mounting openings on the canopy. From inside the camper, install the washers and nuts onto each mounting bolt. Tighten all hardware securely.